You guys caught me. There's no getting anything past you. You caught me smoking on camera, which is something I never do. Well, I used to. When we first started this channel, I used to smoke in all of the videos. And it's kind of a necessity because, well, I mean, I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. My entire personality is a combination of caffeine, nicotine, and sugar. And if I don't have them in just the right proportion, well, I'm just a babbling, really useless, autistic mess. So the balance of those three things, it's what I run on, it's who I am. When I make a video, I may not actually smoke on camera, but trust me, there's always at least one, possibly two, just burn it off to the side right there. Yeah, that's part of it. I've got lighters and cigarettes everywhere. And I know it's a disgusting habit. Dangerous, it's a dangerous habit. And we know this, I know it's dangerous because many viewers pointed out the fact that in that last video that we did when we were running the car, that I was actually smoking near nitromethane. I was having a cigarette with nitro. How crazy is that? Cat, show them that.
Together.
So far.
So far.
All right, so yeah, I know, it's dangerous. Nobody should ever be smoking, and I do not smoke on camera, I deliberately. I never actually smoke on camera, and I really should never smoke around something like a race car, where you've got fluids around, liquids, like the nitro I just drained out of the tank over here. If I accidentally dropped it, oh my God! If I accidentally dropped a lit cigarette into it, well, okay, it could have been worse, right? The nitro could have been heated to a couple of few hundred degrees Fahrenheit and compressed tightly, and we would not be standing here right now. I need a cigarette. So, yeah, clearly, you don't want to do that. Look at me. Look away. Look away. It's not just nitro. You have to worry about all of these fluids. Like, for instance, you caught me smoking on there. Cat, can you blur that out where I was smoking? So you've got all of these, like when we run this thing, you got gasoline squirting all over the place. It's like, I'm just running, oh my God! I put my cigarette out. Don't worry, Jeff, I'll strain that out before we pour it back in a car. So, yeah, I mean, you could actually start a fire with gasoline in it. Well, so, but I did try to quit. I've been smoking for way over 50 years now, and I roll my own. Because I honestly believe that it's the filters and the chemicals they put in filtered cigarettes that really do the damage. I'm pretty okay with the exception of a couple of like coughing fits every now and then, but who doesn't have that? But I did actually try to quit at one point. And this was about 7 years ago because our viewers had been watching and they were concerned for my health, and they were concerned that they were really especially concerned that they would sometimes watch our videos with their family, so they'd have the little kids sitting around and here's this buffoon, puffing on a cigarette. Disgusting human that I am. So I did try to quit. Kathy, why don't you show them what happened that time that we tried to quit?
Action.
All right, so we'll start with the carburetor basics, all right? Do you have to point that camera at me? Like, you're gonna point it directly at me?
Kind of the point, Sonny.
Point it someplace else. Let me do this, all right?
Action.
So to get it to float, the first thing you have to do is take the top off. The screws. You just take the screws out. You just I can't
Going!
Pull the lever!
No!
Pull the lever! Drive the truck away!
Get out of here! Get out!
Ah! 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 Ah!
Whose head is that?
That first 24 hours is tough. Yeah, that didn't go very well, right? Like they said, the first 24 hours is tough. I didn't really make it 24 hours. It was more like 8 hours, but it doesn't matter. I did try. I put in an effort. So, yeah, in the future, I apologize to anybody who may come across the videos that we've done with me actually smoking in them, and it'll never happen again, and I will not do it in any sort of dangerous environment where we've got very highly heated compressed nitromethane or vaporized high pressure, high temperature gasoline, cloud in the air. You won't see that on this channel. All right, good health to everybody. I need to smoke.